How to create a WhatsApp group without adding contacts. So, creation of WhatsApp group without adding contacts is quite easy and simple. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So, first of all, make sure your app is up to date. From your Play Store or App Store, you can go and search for WhatsApp and search for update and easily update from there. Once you have updated the app, you can open the app and then sign in on your account. And then let me show you one group where there is no any contacts. So let's open it and search for the group info by tapping on the top of the screen's name. And then when you scroll down, here is the members list, and here is the member where I'm only the admin and I'm only the member for this group, and there is no any other contacts here. So it's quite easy and simple to create such kind of group. For that, you can select the add friends icon or the plus icon at the bottom right or the new chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you have to select new group. And then you need to first of all select anyone here for once, and then once done you can select the arrow button at the bottom right corner of the screen and you can select the group name. It's optional. If you wish to turn on the disappearing messages, you can do it, and you can also select the group permissions, and here you can customize the options here. Once done, you can select the tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure that in order to create a WhatsApp group without adding contact, you must be the admin. Once created, at the top you can select the friends, and once done, you need to, instead of adding members, you can select that member and you can easily remove that particular member and select OK. As you can see that we successfully created a WhatsApp group, but there are no any contact and we have not added any contacts now. You can simply select invite via link as well, and you can copy the link and you can paste it on the other applications where the members are not from your contacts, and by the link you can easily see that those people who are not on your contacts are on your group through the link. So that is how also you can create a WhatsApp group without adding contacts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.